Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the Ultron opportunity we have been looking at for some time now, how you can turn $5,000 into $93,000 in 1 year or less or more. So there is a possibility based on statistics and evidence that you could possibly turn $5,000 into $93,000 in 1 year or less or more. And take note of the disclaimer, this video is not by any means an investment advice promising you that you will make 93,000 out of 5,000. Number two, it's not an investment advice that you should go borrow this amount and invest. Do your own research, follow the video, watch it, and look at the statistics and the data we are going to be presenting, and then you can make your own judicious decision. It doesn't mean that you can make this amount. The fact that just a potential, we are looking at statistics. So let's get inside and let's look at what it is and how you can possibly make this kind of amount based on what is happening in the market. So like I've been showing you, Ultron is a layer 1 blockchain protocol coming out, launched on the 1st of June. And then they have a staking hub where you can purchase the coins and then you stake them. That is one of the ways that you can earn money. I'll be showing you 8 different ways you can make money with the Ultron coin. And so you are welcome, and let's play with the statistics, and then we go inside and see the potential. All right, so with the staking hub, we have about 8 different packages, and one of the packages is the 5,000 USDT. The USDT is equivalent to $1, so we are using US dollar or USDT interchangeably. So that is the standard program or the standard package, which is 5,000 USDT, and it will give you 450,000 ULX. That is the Ultron coin. And now these are the statistics we are looking at here. So this one, I'll do a video and explain all the statistics later, but we are looking at the auto stake on and the auto stake off. So we are assuming that you purchase $5,000 worth of the ULX and you receive 450,000 coins, and then you engage the auto stake on. So you are going to earn 107% of daily 0.2% passive income. So every day you are going to earn 0.2% on your stake. So if you stake this amount, you calculate 0.2% every day for the next 1 year. So by the end of June 2023, you would have earned 107% on top of your investment. That gives you 207%. It means you have doubled or a little over doubled the amount you have invested. And then the third year, it will go like that because we are going to be halving. So every year, the earnings percentage halves. So from 0.2, the next year it will halve. But we are looking at just the first year, what you can potentially earn by the end of 1 year. So take note of it. So you will earn 107%. Okay. So let's look at the 1 year price forecast and then the projections that we are using. So this is the statistics we are using to project that you could possibly make 93,000 within 1 year. So take note, the auto stake is on, and then you are staking the ULS worth $5,000. So that's our investment capital. So this is the base stake, that's 450,000. By the end of 1 year, when you calculate the 107%, that will give you about 48,000 ULX. So you add it to the 45,000, and that should give you about 930 ULX plus the other coins that are on it. And the current price of the token is $0.01 or 1 cent. So if you multiply that by this 933,000, that should give you potentially 9,330 barring price movement. So we assume that the price remains constant between now and the 30th of June 2023. All things being equal, you are going to earn this amount, this number of coins, and they are going to be worth 9,330. All things being equal, if the price remains constant at the launch price, which is at $0.01. Now the projection here is that, so this is 2 times for the first year already. If nothing happens, you are staking your $5,000 worth, you receive the 450 tokens, 450,000 tokens, they will be multiplied to 933 coins within 1 year. So that is the value as at the end of June 2023. Now the price projection we are doing is that, let's assume that the price goes to 0.02 between now and the end of 2023, this June 30th of June. Let's say the price goes up. It means these your coins that are 933 will become 18,660. That will be the price if there is a little price movement and the price goes up by 0.02. And mind you, that will happen in a few days when the decentralized exchange of the project is launched. The price will shoot up immediately. And then we are assuming that if the price goes to 0.03, that will be 5 times increase. So you would have had 27,990 from the same 933 coins. Let's assume the price goes to 0.05, that's 5 cents within the 1 year period we are projecting. That means your total amount would have gone up to 46,000. The same number of coins would have been worth 46,650 Ghana dollars, 46,650 USDT or USD. The value is the same. And then this is the base we are looking at for that projection. Let's assume that within the next 1 year, by June 2023, this token or coin appreciates to 0.10, that is 10 cents. 10 cents. It means your earning from these 933 coins you have accumulated within 1 year will be worth 93,300. So that is the statistics we are using to project that you could turn 5,000 USD or USDT into 93,300 within 1 year or less, or all things being equal more. Now let's look at some further projections or things that are giving us these projections. Now let's look at some of these layer 1 projects and how they have performed over the years. Now we are going to compare the price currently in June. We are in July right now, but the price as they were at June, some of them have changed. For instance, Solana is about $34 or $35 as I watched yesterday. And so now look at them. Let's leave Ethereum and then BNB out, which are quite older, maybe 5 years and 9 years. Especially Ethereum is the oldest among them. BNB follows a 5 years. Most of these ones are between 2 years and 3 years project. Fantom is 4 years. The rest are all about 2 years and 3 years. But you can see that within 2 years and 3 years old, all of them launch at almost the same prices. So look at it. Fantom launched at the same price that Ultron is launching, 0.01 USD. And then Harmony launched at 0.003, quite lower. And then Cardano launched at 0.02. Avalanche launched at 50 cents. Solana launched at 20 cents. And then you can see where they are today. Look at Solana, over 30 USD within 2 years. 2 years old project. So if we are assuming that within 1 year our coin, which is Ultron, should appreciate to 10 cents, it is quite modest and quite a gentlemanly projection, which is possible and can be achieved, especially looking at the advantages on the Ultron project, where it has its own application, decentralized applications. Over 20 of them will be launched by the end of this year, and hundreds of them by the end of the next 2-3 years. Over 100 decentralized applications, native applications. When you look at all these other layer 1 projects, they don't have personal or they don't have native application. It means they have the platform and other organizations come to build the applications on it. But Ultron advantage is that Ultron has its own native decentralized applications that we are going to look at in another video. And so that gives it the advantage, and that is what is going to give it the price boost. And the Ultron coin is the only currency that is used on all these decentralized applications. So it is going to lend value to the coin, and then it is likely going to appreciate in a fast mode. And so you can see examples by June 2022. These are the prices. So Avalanche launched at 0.50, that's 50 cents. Today is $16. And then you look at Solana launch at 20 cents, today is $30. Cardano launch at 0.02 is 0.49. And then Fantom launch at 0.01, it is 0.24. And then Harmony launch at this, and it is this. So within 1 year, like Ultron coin becoming 10 cents is a feasibility, or is a feasible projection which can happen, and that's what we are looking. But let's look at where the prices were as at February. Now look at, compared to these prices, and see where they are. Solana 30, 16, 4, 9, etc. But look at February, just this year, 2022 February, look at where they were. Ethereum was 3,000 instead of the 1,000 and something in June. And so the prices could escalate at any point in time. And you know that the cryptocurrency market now is experiencing a bear market, and so the prices have gone down. But you can see that all of them are in full dollars already here. So you can see Fantom, which is about 0.24 now, was $2 as in February. Terra Luna was 90, Solana was 100. Even Solana went to 300 at a certain point in time. And so you can see the potential of layer 1 blockchain projects, and that is what is giving the power to Ultron, and that is why you can take advantage and see. So these are just the years. So you can just see Solana launched in 2000. We are in 2002. That's 2 years old. Avalanche launched in 2020. We are in 2022. It means it's just 2 years old. Cardano launched in 2019. Terra Luna launched in 2019. And then Polygon launched in 2019. They are just 3 years old. Polkadot 2020 is also 2 years old. Fantom is the oldest among these ones, new current ones, and it was launched in 2018, 4 years old. So within the span of 4 years, maximum for all these ones, you can see their performance. So even if we take 2 years old, like the Solana, the Avalanche, the Polkadot, and then we look at where they are now, and then we halve it, you can see that there is room for possible achievement of this projection we are making. So look at it, go and take any of the staking hubs that your budget can meet. It doesn't mean you should take the 5,000 one. There are as low as $100 packages. There are 300, 500, 1,500 packages before, and 500 packages before you get to the 5,000. So you can go for any of them your budget can meet, and then look at the projections from there, and then you can make some good money within 1 year or 2 years. Good luck. We wish you all the best. How to join, I'll leave a link in the comments, a pinned comment. So just go to the comments, I'll leave a link there for you, and then you register, purchase a staking hub according to your budget. Like I said, note that every investment goes with risk. So invest only what you can afford to lose. Don't go borrow money from anywhere. Don't go take loan to invest. Take money you are sure that it's your own. Even if you lose it, you lose it. Nobody comes after you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video, so you can potentially turn 5,000 into 93,000 in 1 year, or less or more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.